What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, guys. Today, guys, we're going to be reacting to Godzilla vs. Monkey Part 26. Alright, guys? Remember what happened last time? We saw a glimpse of purple aura. I know who that is, okay? I'm not telling you yet, but you'll find out in this video. Alright, guys, let's react to it in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, Born Productions. Born Brothers. Okay, yeah, of course, like usual, everyone wants part 26. Leave a comment for video ideas. Part 26. There you go. Purple aura. This time it's purple. Okay, this is what happened last time. Oh. Purple aura. Oh, I see a tail. I think bro, guys, we know who this is.
Oh man, I'm still you.
We've got other problems.
I just noticed that
we're over here.
They're still merging their bodies.
Oh man, Itchy's out cold. Why are you still laying there? We gotta move. Well, I can't. This body needs both heads to work.
Seriously?
Oh,
let's just drag
what was
it.
that? Oh. Oh.
On 3.
Dude.
3.
Wait, why'd you skip 1 and 2?
Oh. Oh, they just hid. Ooh. Guys, I think I know who this is. No, I know. Shin! I knew it, guys! It's Shin Godzilla!
Wow.
It's Shin! Oh my god, Shin Godzilla! Yo!
Okay, first off, how dare you?
I knew that was
Second,
him!
you've gotta do
Oh
something.
my god!
Why me?
Well, because Big Bird over here can't even stand up, and I'm stuck inside of your stupid monkey body.
Yeah, I know, bro. They're
man,
still
I
in
don't
the
even
same
know how to
body,
use your
bro. And
atomic
they're
breath.
still
Look, it's
literally
easy.
like.
Just focus your eyes
switched
straight on your
bodies,
target
dude.
and put your mind to it.
These instructions are oversimplified.
Don't question my teaching methods. You've got this, bro.
Oh, Godzilla's gonna confront him.
Okay.
Oh, he missed.
What? Are you kidding me? All you had to do was look at him. What are you, cross-eyed or something?
Oh my god. Look how tall he is! Dude, he's a lot
Dang,
bigger
bro, you're
than him. Look how
enormous.
tall he is. Yo. Oh.
You're just like me.
Wait,
You can speak?
we can speak.
Yes.
He can speak.
And now you will listen.
He can speak? I didn't know that.
Belongs to me, and I refuse to share it with an inferior species.
But would you share with a giant monkey?
What?
What the?
Master of Stealth!
Yo, what? Wait, this is the first time that. Wait, this is the first time that another kaiju can speak, because all the other, like, kaijus, such as, like, Godzilla 2021, Kong 2021, Godzilla 19, like, Godzilla and Kong 1964, blah, 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 they couldn't speak, so this time, wow, and this time, one of them can speak. I didn't know that. So, yep, Shin Godzilla can speak. I didn't know that. Oh!
I'm sorry.
Oh my dude! He has a bigger punch! Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Okay, they're starting to get a hang of it. Oh, the backbone! Watch out! Oh my god, it's just trying to build
Prepare
it.
to die, weaklings.
They're not weak. Watch out, he's gonna shoot his beam! Oh yeah, it's fire! Yeah, because I remember Kaiju Universe, after the fire and shooting. I also see that. There you go. Oh, watch out! The buildings! Yo, to the lightning. Yo.
Oh, come on, dude. Why can't you be that cool?
Oh, come on, Itchy, wake up, man. They need us.
Oh!
Oh, screw you, man. I'll do this myself.
Oh! Wait.
I can feel your power.
Oh.
It feels great.
Did he sword?
Feels strong.
Dude,
Hey, Big
Shin Godzilla absorbed King Ghidorah's power.
You like that?
Yo, oh, he's throwing trucks at him. Oh! It's
I hope
eye.
you're still pretty without your teeth.
Oh! Oh my god, not again! I swear,
That's
he
how it
always
feels.
punches- Oh, watch out.
What
Oh. There
What's
you go.
going on?
There you go. He
Well,
finally
in short,
woke
that big
up.
scary thing over there is trying to kill us.
I know.
Don't worry, I've got this.
No, wait, don't!
Oh, watch out. Oh, yo, there's atomic breaths. Yo! Did you just absorb all of those power? Oh no.
Much.
They just made him a lot stronger. Oh no, it didn't defeat him. It helped him. Oh no. Is it growing in size? Look at what the heck? Yo! Oh my, he has wings? Yo! To be continued in part 27. Yo, act 1. This is like the other acts, you know, like the other parts, you know. All right, guys. Anyways, though, guys, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. I don't have an intro, so yep, guys. See you later. Bye.